Watch this.
Ano yun?
Grabe.
Ano yun?
Ano kaya yun? Ano yun? Pero syempre to our best girls, ramdam na ramdam ng Blooms ang love nyo for them. Ang dami ng pasabog para sa kanila. And we've heard, meron pa kayong announcements para sa kanila, tama ba?
Yes!
Ano yung mga announcements na yun?
Yes, Blue. So, tatandaan niyo ba yung link that we've been asking you guys to pre-save? Na-pre-save niyo na ba, Blue? Yes! Oh, na-detect niyo ba yung signal doon? Na-receive niyo ba? Wala.
Alam niyo, Blooms, back in the day, flames were used as signals. Parang way to say na nandito kami. Huh? Kayo, you've been there with us since the very start. So, you lit that fire with us, within us, and every cheer is a signal for us to continue lang kahit pa may challenges along the way.
Yes, ngayon, dala namin yung energy na yon, lahat ng binibigay niya sa amin, ready namin i-share sa buong mundo, bringing our sound, our stories, on Filipino music to bigger stage. Yes, and now we are ready to send the next signal. Stay tuned for our next EP called Signal! We are releasing our latest EP on April 9, a day before our Coachella weekend performance. Yes, at syempre, invite na rin namin kayo to watch the Coachella live stream. Stay tuned for more details.
Grabe, Blooms! Billy will be dropping a new EP this April 9! Grabe, exciting. Mag-start na tayo mag-countdown because there will be a lot of surprises. So stay tuned and make sure to pre-save the link.
Siyempre, kung akala nyo, doon na natatapos ang special announcement ng Binitay. Pero hindi pa, kumapit kayo. Kaya naman nakakapit na ba ang lahat?
Yung kapit nyo, paano yung kapit nyo?
Paano yung kapit? Patingin muna ng kapit.
Kapit na.
Kapit na.
Kapit lang.
Kapit lang. So, kapit na tayong lahat. Kaya naman, tumingin na tayo sa ating LCD screen. And Blooms,
Movie?
watch this.
Movie marathon.
Wait lang!
Wow!
Yes! Oo, kinilabutan ako doon. Oo, ang ganda ng edit eh. Nakataas ng excitement. Pero tama po yung nakita nyo, yung mga nakita nyong lugar at date. Pagbalik po namin from Coachella, magsama-sama po tayo sa isang special concert! Save the dates, Blue! See you po sa Signals of the Mall of Asia Arena on June 20, 2026! At sa lahat ng ating Visayas Blooms, magkita-kita rin po tayo sa Signal Seaside Cebu Arena this July 11, 2026! Grabe, no? Kumbaga, hindi pa man nangyayari yung Coachella, meron na agad tayong dalawa after.
Oh, excited ba kayo, Blooms? Grabe, Billy concert at the Moa Arena in Pasay this June 2026 and in Moa Arena in Cebu in July. Grabe. And since you've given us, girls, since you've given us a lot of surprises, kami naman ang merong surprise para sa inyo. Kaya please, watch.
Grabe, movie marathon talaga to. Episodes na to.
Series episodes.
No, we miss nyo to lahat. Lalo si Joanna. Alam ko rin na-manifest niya to.
Thank you for representing the Philippines! Kami! Congrats sa inyo and good luck sa Coachella! Galingan niyo naman na!
Congrats, Lini! We're so excited to watch you on Coachella. We always knew that you were meant for that stage.
Break a leg, Dini! Let's go!
Hello mga ates ko! Galingan nyo talaga. Talaga namang galingan nyo talaga. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, masasabi ko lang ay...
Excited ako at proud ako sa inyo agad-agad.
I wish I could be there, but I'm with you guys. The hits there. See you guys at your back. Good luck.
We're very proud of you. We love you. Sobrang proud of all of you. Nandiyan kayo walang makakatalo.
I just want to say that we are so proud of you guys. Thank you for making us Filipinos proud and for raising our flag globally. God bless you guys and more power. Maraming salamat.
Good luck, Dini. I'm going to be one of the blooms, one of the very many blooms in the crowd. And I will bring a tarp relief if I can.
Ito lang, congratulate ko na kayo sa naging performance niyo sa Coachella. And I just want to congratulate and wish you guys good luck dahil magpe-perform kayo sa Coachella.
Congrats and good luck sa Coachella. Alam ko na yung slay niyo yan.
We are beyond proud of you guys. Thank you.
Plural form.
Yes, super proud kami sa inyo. Congrats in advance and good luck sa Coachella.
Hi, Bini. Congratulations and good luck sa performance niyo sa April sa Coachella.
Everyone from the universe, I just want to thank my support and how proud I am that Lini will be on the Coachella stage this coming summer.
Good luck sa Coachella.
Good luck and God bless.
We are also proud of you. As a show business, proud na proud kami sa inyo. Ibang klaseng milestone to.
Yes, binabati po namin ang Bini!
Congratulations! Hindi lang kami ang proud sa inyo, kundi ang buong Pilipinas at ang lahat ng mga Pilipino.
God bless sa performance niyo. Alam namin na marami kayong mapapasay dyan sa Coachella. Congrats!
Yes, you guys consider me simula pa ng simula ng parang nangyari sa inyo. Wala sa sarili niyo. You guys are really super good. Kasi ako dyan. Ang gusto niyo kakalimutan. Kakalimutan. Gusto ko lang i-share ng good luck and all the best. You make us really, really proud.
Hello, Bini. Congratulations!
Congratulations and good luck po sa inyong Coachella performance.
We are proud of you.
Viva Prize! Mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino!
Very, very proud of you. And when you step on that stage, don't just perform with your feet, perform with your hearts. Okay? Yung pusong Pinoy. God bless you. I believe in you. I love you. I'm here for you. We are here for you always, Bini.
Hi, Bini! Gusto na namin sabihin na congratulations and good luck. You're really shine bright dyan sa Coachella. And all of us here at buong Pilipinas ay behind you.
Congratulations sa inyo. Kasalanan sa performance niyo. Enjoy every single day.
I'm so proud of all you guys. Thank you for representing us for the kids here.
I know.
Congratulations and good luck, Bini! Ipagmalaki ang talentong Pilipino.
First of all, bago tayo magpatuloy, we'd like to ask you guys. Parang naiiyak si Bro. Siyempre, we wanna ask you muna, anong reaction nyo sa napanood yung video?
Yes, marami nang nagmamahal sa inyo, of course.
Sino gusto muna?
Gusto po namin magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga co-artists po namin at mga P-pop na bumati at nag-good luck po sa amin for Coachella. Hindi po namin na-expect ito and talagang ito po yung genuine na surprise po talaga kaming lahat. And alam naman po namin na hindi po mangyayari lahat ng ito kung hindi dahil sa inyo Blooms. Nagsimula kami dito, parang hindi pa namin alam kung saan kami magpupunta. Hindi namin in-expect na magkakaroon ng Coachella ang Bini. Pero dahil sa pagmamahal ninyo, dahil sa hope ninyo, at dahil sa prayers nyo, mangyayari na yung ultimate goal namin. And kasi isasama namin kayong lahat doon.
Does anyone else want to say? Yeah.
I also, we want to say thank you to all our Blooms kasi nga we wouldn't be here and we will not be there without you guys. So thank you so much. Dadalhin namin yung love and support niyo when we're there. So I hope kahit yung iba nasa Pinas, pero patuloy pa rin yung support from afar po.
Anyone else want to say anything? John, bakit ikaw? Kasi si John naging emotional sa video.
Hindi na-overwhelm ako.
Bakit na-overwhelm, John?
Sobrang na-surprise lang talaga kami. Parang na-feel, ewan ko ba kasi syempre hindi naman madali yung rehearsals namin recently. Parang talagang lahat ng pagod mo pag-uwi mo talagang bagsak ka na lang talaga, di ba? Pero alam ko naman magiging worth it to lahat. Grabe, parang kaming binuhusan ng confidence for Coachella. Thank you po sa lahat ng buhay. Thank you, guys. Ayun, ayun.
Well, girls, before you head off to Coachella, bukod sa mga video greetings na yan, this is from us, from all of the Blooms na nandito, and everyone in the Philippines na nagmamahal sa inyo. Ito, meron kaming konting regalo para sa inyo. To show our love for Bini, to show our love for our best girls.
Magkano ang baga niyo dito?